Dropshipping cost the stick $220. One of these four side hustles made him $250 in a single week. And it's not the one you're thinking of. He's got a 9 to 5. And every month around the 25th, he's broke again. So he tried every side hustle he could get his hands on. Real time, real money, real results. No guessing. Just numbers. 2 rules. He kept his job. No risking rent money, same time, and cash you'd actually have. And every hustle gets scored the same way. Hours in, dollars out. Not the numbers some guy on your feed is bragging about. 4 hustles. One surprised him more than the rest. Let's go. You've seen the ads. Quit your job, run a store from your phone, 6 figures by summer. The stick built a store in a weekend. Trending product, ran ads. 15 hours in, $300 in ad spend, $80 in sales. He spent $300 to make 80. No ads, no inventory. Just a laptop and a couple hours after work. Pitched 5 clients, landed one, $25 a post, 10 hours that first week, $150. Not exciting, but real money, zero risk. Quick one, 2 hustles down, 2 to go, and the one that beat all of them is still coming. Hit subscribe if you want to see which one wins. Hustle 3. AI generates the designs, writes the listings, does the busy work. 6 hours to set up, almost zero upfront cost or keep. Nothing gets made until someone orders. 12 items sold in month 1. $90 profit. Last one. Almost didn't make the list. Sounds too boring. One Saturday, thrift stores and yard sales grabbing anything underpriced. 5 hours total, including relisting online. $60 spent, $310 in 1 week. The boring one beat everything else combined. Be honest, if the stick asked you to guess the winner, you said dropshipping, or maybe the AI one, since that's what everyone's talking about right now. It wasn't either. It was reselling. No learning curve, no ads, no fancy tools, just noticing value other people missed. Boring made him the most money of the month. Ranking these worst to first. Last, dropshipping. Cost him $220 in a weekend. Zero budget to lose? Skip it for now. Third, AI print on demand. Low risk, low effort, runs on autopilot. Second, freelance writing. Slower to build, but it's skill-based income that grows the more clients you land. First, reselling. Fastest cash, lowest cost to start, easiest for a total beginner to try this weekend. It's not about picking the trendiest hustle. It's about picking the one that fits your time, your budget, and your patience. How do you pick? No time, reselling. Got a sellable skill? Freelance. Want hands off? AI. Got real money to risk and ready to learn ads? That's when dropshipping makes sense. Just not first. Reselling won. So next video, the stick goes all in on it. Full breakdown, step by step, starting with basically no money. See you in the next one.